So somebody challenged me, you can't draw Pikachu from memory. Well, challenge accepted, no reference, no help, just me, my brain, and a pencil. Let's see if I can prove them wrong. I remember Pikachu's head is a circular shape, chubby face, not too big, not too small. Next up, the ears. They are tall and pointy with little black tips at the end. Then the body. I think Pikachu's body is like rabbit. Um, I can be wrong, but in my memory, it's like rabbit, wide at the bottom, giving him two small legs and arms, tiny arms inside the body, soft. Then comes the tail, which is more like a thunderbolt or zigzag shape. And finally, the face. Pikachu's eyes are big like buttons with a tiny nose and small curvy line for the smile and red cheeks. Okay, so the drawing part is done. Now it's time for the outlining. This usually makes things look cleaner. Next is the coloring, yellow for the whole body and red circles on the cheeks, black for the eyes and the tips on the ears, the bit red at the base of the tail. At least the colors are right. Now let's see if things are in my favor. It's the moment of truth. Here is my Pikachu, and here is the real Pikachu. Oh crap. No, well, it don't looks like uh it it don't looks like Pikachu. It's mine looks more like a rabbit. It's like Pika Rabbit. But hey, I alright. It happens. I didn't see this character for a very long time. But yeah, at least I tried. I drew it from memory and you can still tell it's Pikachu, right? So here is the side by side. My memory Pika Rabbit, I will call Pika Rabbit versus the real Pikachu. Mine looks really a rabbit. So what do you think? Please tell me in the comments. If you really enjoyed this video, like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel for more fun videos like this. And tell me in the comments who should I try next.